Welcome to my channel. Friends, today I am presenting you to very beautiful and amazing 3D wallpapers for home decoration. 3D wallpapers are a type of wall covering that uses visual techniques to create the illusion of depth and dimensions on flat surfaces. 3D wallpapers have emerged as a popular choice in home decoration due to their ability to transform spaces with a sense of depth and visual intrigue. 3D wallpapers can be applied to various surfaces including living room walls, accent walls, bedroom headboards, and even ceiling. They can be customized to fit the dimensions of the space, making them suitable for both residential and commercial projects. These wallpapers offer a captivating focal point within a room. They draw the attention of occupants and guests, contributing to an engaging and dynamic atmosphere. Friends, 3D wallpapers come in a wide range of designs, patterns, and themes. From geometric shapes to nature-inspired motifs, the options are vast, allowing decorators to choose a style that aligns with the overall theme of the space. Friends, some 3D wallpapers not only create the illusion of depth but also mimic textures like brick, stone, wood, or fabric. This adds a tactile aspect to the visual appeal, making the walls feel more interesting to touch as well. Many 3D wallpapers are designed to be removable without damaging the wall surface. This makes them suitable for renters to those who like to change their decor frequently. Friends, please like my video, share it to your friends who love these ideas, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.